Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the precise Google Maps link for the location. This ensures the QR points to the correct spot. Open Maps, drop or confirm the PIN, then choose Share and Copy Link so you have a clean URL. Once done, consider shortening the URL to reduce QR density. Shorter links produce simpler codes that scan faster, especially on printed materials. Make sure the link uses HTTPS and opens the exact view you want, because the QR will replicate that destination exactly. Once you have the clean Maps URL, paste it into a reliable QR generator. This is how you convert the link into a scannable graphic. Choose an appropriate error correction level. M or Q balances resilience and readability, and set image size. Higher pixel dimensions avoid blur. Select PNG for general use or SVG for scaling without quality loss, and export at 300 dpi if you plan to print. Make sure the QR is tested on multiple devices so the map opens correctly. Now finalize by testing and deploying the QR code. You want real-world reliability. Scan with both iPhone and Android cameras. This verifies the code opens Google Maps to the exact PIN. If scanning is inconsistent, increase the quiet zone, boost contrast, or enlarge the code. Those adjustments fix common readability issues. Once it scans reliably, place the code into your flyer, sign, or web page and test the production proof before printing or publishing, so users get the intended map every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.